you have any doubt in given homework, let us discuss. Anybody have any problem in 32, 33, 34 and 35? Any one of this? Any of you have any problem in any of this question? Any of you any problem in this question? 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay. Now, see, let us do this question first of all. 37. It's simple question. 37. Integration 10 to 15 25 minus x the whole cube dx. Now, because it's a linear function, 25 minus x, that is a linear function. So first of all, we have to use this function, linear function, integration of linear function, raised to any power. We know the answer of that. So here 25 minus x raised to 4 upon 4 into coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is minus 1. So this is the answer for this question, and because it's a definite integration, we have to write here lower limit, here upper limit. Then first of all put x equal to 15 here. Put x equal to 15. So 25 minus 15, that is what? 10. So it is 10 raised to 4 upon this into this is minus 4. This is the answer for first bracket. Then minus sign. Now put x equal to 10. So it is 25 minus 10, that is 15 raised to 4 upon minus 4. So now let us do the calculation. So it is 10 raised to 4, that is 10,000 divided by minus 4 minus 15 raised to 4, that means 15 into 15 into 15 into 15, 50,625. So it is 50,625 divided by minus 4. Now you can write this equal to minus 10,000 divided by 4, and because this is minus and this is also minus, we get here plus 50,625 divided by 4, taking 4 LCM. So we get minus 10,000 plus 50,625. So ultimately answer is 40,625 divided by 4. That is our final answer. So 40,625 divided by 4, that is our final answer for question number 37. Now for this 36, 38 and 39, these three questions require some concept of properties of definite integration. So let us start very important theoretical questions. Properties of definite integration, and always you will find this theoretical question in exam which carries normally 4 to 5 marks. So it is very important question, very important question. Always you will find this type of theoretical questions in exam. Just you to learn all these properties. First, integration of f of x with respect to x, and range is, let us say, lower limit is a and upper limit is also a, means lower limit and upper limit both are same, and if lower limit and upper limit both are same, the answer of that should be 0. And it is very obvious reason. First of all, we have to put this upper limit, then we have to put lower limit, and whatever the answer we get, we have to subtract that. Obviously the answer remains same, so subtraction of that is 0. So when lower limit and upper limit are same, no need to find out the integration, just you get the answer direct 0. Second, integration of function f of x with respect to x, and range is, let us say, a to b. Now instead of this f of x, if we put y in place of x, then our question becomes this, and range is if same, then obviously here we have to put, first of all we have to find out integration, and then we have to put x equal to b and then x equal to a. So here we have to find out integration, and then we have to put y equal to b and y equal to a, and then we have to subtract. So ultimately we get the same answer. So if variable is changed, instead of y you can write t, even though answer remains same. So that is our second property. Third, integration of f of x with respect to x, range is a to b. Now instead of this range a to b, if we interchange range, means lower limit if we write b and upper limit if we write a, and if we find the answer, then also the answer remains same, but sign will change. Means if the answer of this left hand side is 500, so right hand side is also 500, but because of this minus sign, the integration value, this value is minus 500, and this minus 500 minus 500 you will get plus 500. That means your answer of these two are same, but sign is changed. Sign is changed. Next, integration of f of x dx, range, let us say 0 to a. Then in place of x, if we write this lower limit plus upper limit minus x, and if we find the integration with respect to x with the same range 0 to a, the answer remains same. That means 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of x a minus x dx. This is very important result, result number 4 for example point of view. Let us take one example. Integration of 0 to 5 minus x the whole raised to 4 dx, and 0 to 5, instead of 5 minus x you can write x only raised to 4 dx. The answer of these two are same. Here in place of x, what we would write 0 plus 5 minus x, that is in place of x you can write 5 minus x, or in place of 5 minus x you can write x. Both are valid. So if we find the answer of this question or this question, your answer remains same. So this is very important property. Fifth, the same property, almost same. instead of 0, if it is a to b f of x dx, then also you can write this property in this way. A to b, in place of x you can write lower limit plus upper limit minus x dx, and if we check the answer, your answer remains same. That means in place of x you can write a plus b minus x, lower limit minus plus upper limit minus x, and this is true vice versa also. So see, if you use same property for this question, our question number 37, 10 to 15, 25 minus x the whole cube dx. So you can use the property this. So in place of x you can write 10 plus 15 minus x. That is, in place of x you can write 25 minus x, and vice versa is also true. So in place of 25 minus x you can write x only. So our question becomes only this, x raised to 3 dx, and range remains same. So either you can find out the answer of this question or this question, your answer remains same. Then obviously this is more simple, because we know the result x raised to 3, the answer of that is x raised to 4 upon 4, and you can write the range like this. Now put x equal to 15, then put x equal to 10 and subtract it. So we know the answer of this, 50,625 divided by 4 minus 10,000 divided by 4. The answer is, if we take 4 LCM, 40,625. So the same question you can solve by two different methods. One, by using normal question, by using this property, this result, or you can use the result of definite integration, but it is true only for definite integration when we have this type of situation, lower limit plus upper limit minus x is same as here, the same thing is given here, then we can use this one. Next property, so this property 4 and 5 are very important property. Sixth, integration of f of x dx a to c and integration of f of x dx, same function, but the range is c to b, and if there is a plus sign between that two, so a to c f of x dx and c to b f of x dx. So instead of finding two separate answer, you can find out the answer for f of x dx with range a to b only, like a to b. You can write this. Reason is, see, if we integrate this, we get some function, and then we have to put x equal to c. So let us say the integration of that is capital F of x. So we have to write here like this, and integration of obviously this is also capital F of x, and then we have to write here c to b. So first of all we have to write c here, so we get f of c. Then we have to write a, so f of a. Same thing, if you put x equal to b, we get f of b, and here minus f of c. So your f of c, this is cancelled, and we get f of b minus f of a. Here if you find the integration, obviously the function is same, so integration is also same, capital F of x, and range a to b. Now put x equal to b, so f of b, and then put x equal to a, then f of a, and see we have a same answer. That means your left hand side and right hand side remain same. So this you can write like this. Let us take one small example. Integration of 2 to 5 x square dx plus integration of 5 to 7 x square dx. Either you can find out both the answer and then add, or you can find out integration of x square from range 2 to 7. You will get the same answer. So you can write this result in a different way. A to b f of x dx. So you can write a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. See, this properties you have to learn. There is no another way. In exam, always you will find this question, and which carries 4 to 5 marks. Property number 7. Integration of f of x dx. Range is minus a to plus a. Minus a to plus a, f of x dx. The answer is 0 if f of x is odd function. If f of x is odd function, then we have the answer for, and if the limit is like this, minus a to plus a, means lower limit is any number but negative sign, the same number in upper limit with positive sign, then answer is 0 provided f of x is odd function. Now the question is, what is odd function? In exam you have to write, you have to learn this, but let us discuss what is odd function. So if in place of x, if we write minus x, in place of x, if we write minus x, and if we get the same function with negative sign, then f of x is odd function. So this is the actually formula, or sorry, definition of odd function. So in place of x, if we write minus x, and if we get the same function with negative sign, then it is odd function. Let us take one small example. F of x equal to x raised to 3 plus 5x upon x square plus 3. If this is the function, and if you want to check whether it's odd function or not, so what you require to do, in place of x you have to write minus x. In place of x you have to write minus x. So here we get minus x raised to 3 plus 5 into minus x upon minus x raised to 2 plus 3. So what we get? Minus x raised to 3 is minus x cube. This is we get minus 5x. Minus x square is plus x square, and plus 3. You can take minus common in from numerator. So we get x cube plus 5x, and denominator remains as it is, x square plus 3. So you can see it is this part, x cube plus 5x upon x square plus 3, that is our function f of x, and the sign is negative. So here f of minus x is minus of f of x. That is why f of x is odd function. And if it is odd function, and the range is like this, minus a to plus a, no need to do anything, just you have to write 0. So if this is the question, listen carefully. Integration of minus 8 to plus 8 x cube plus 5x upon x square plus 3 dx. If this is the question, Nothing you have to do, you have to write direct answer 0 because this is odd function. So answer is 0. And now last property, f of x dx range is minus a to plus a equal to 0 to a f of x dx, but you're right 2 times. If f of x is even function, so if f of x is even function, then the answer is 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. 1. Okay, now the question is, what is even function? So if f of minus x equal to f of x, same, if you put x equal to minus x, and if we get the same function, then function f of x is even function. That is the definition of even function. Let us take one small example. F of x equal to x raised to 4 plus 3x square minus 5 upon x square plus 7. Now put x equal to minus x. So here we get minus x raised to 4 plus 3 into minus x square minus 5 upon minus x raised to 2 plus 7. And if we see, minus x raised to 4 is obviously x raised to 4, minus x square is plus x square, so plus 3x square minus 5 upon, this is obviously x square plus 7, and that is nothing but f of x. So here f of minus x equal to f of x. Therefore we can say that f of x is even function. And in that case, you can write the answer 2 times, like this is the question, integration minus 5 to plus 5 x square plus 5 dx. So the answer of this is 2 times 0 to 5 x square plus, no need to, let us write 51 x square plus 51 dx. So here x square plus 51 is a even function. So either you can find out answer of this left hand side or this right hand side, your answer remains same. So these are the 8 properties. Just you have to write only properties in exam, no need to write examples. So you have to write only one sentence, this, only this, enough. No need to write all these things in exam. So only you have to write the first line of each of the property in exam, and always you will get this type of question in exam, this type of theoretical questions in exam. Now depends on this property, there are 3 examples. Let us start example number 36. Now if you have any problem in any of the property, or if you have any question, you can ask. Actually you have to learn this, but still if you want any clarification regarding any of the result, you can ask. Any of you any problem, then you have freedom to ask your doubt. Okay, let us start 36. Very important question. Always this type of questions are there in, at least in our exam, in our RJT exams. Integration 3 to 6. Integration range 3 to 6 root 9 minus x upon root x plus root 9 minus x dx. Now see, for this type of question answer is always fixed. For this type of question answer is always fixed, but our question should be like this: a to b root a plus b minus x upon root x plus root a plus b minus x dx. If this is the question, or if this is the question, range a to b, whatever the question out of these two, your answer remains fixed here. Upper limit, that means b, minus lower limit, that means a, upon 2. So upper limit minus lower limit upon 2, that is the answer. So this is the actually shortcut for this type of question. So here obviously our answer is upper limit is 6, lower limit is 3. 6 minus 3, that is 3. 3 divided by 2, that is the answer. 3 by 2, that is the answer for question number 36. Same way, question number 38. It's same. See, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 11. 0 plus 11 is 11. So here root x and 11 minus root x. So answer is obviously this upper limit 11 minus lower limit 0 divided by 2. So answer is 11 by 2. Same thing here. Answer is upper limit 4, lower limit 0 divided by 2. 4 by 2, that is 2. That is the answer. So you can verify the answer, but in exam you have to do the steps. So it is slide lengthy example, and there is one special method to solve this question. Special method, you don't have any other option to solve this question except this method. So what we have to do? Let us start. Let us assume the answer of this is something. So let answer of this is some number, because we know there is some, always there is some number when there is a definite integration. So answer of this is, let us say, k. So the answer of this is, let us say, k. Now instead of k, let us assume I. So answer of this is I. I is any number like k. You can say that I is an integration of the answer of the integration of this. So I stand for integration, let us assume right now. So the answer of this is, let us say, k, m, a, b, c, anything. So let us say it is equation 1. Now use the property. In place of x, you can write this lower limit plus upper limit minus x. So in place of x, you can write 9 minus x, and in place of 9 minus x you can write x by using one of the property. So by using property of definite integration, by using property of definite integration, what we have to do? We have to write the same thing, but in place of 9 minus x we have to write x, and in place of x we have to write 9 minus x. So integration 3 to 6, in place of 9 minus x we have to write x, and in place of x we have to write 9 minus x. In place of this 9 minus x we have to write x dx. And obviously the answer of this is also same, because we know that the answer of both are same according to the property. So let us say this is equation 2. Now add equation 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So left hand side I plus I, that is our left hand side, and in right hand side it is A to B, sorry, 3 to 6 root 9 minus x upon root x plus root 9 minus x dx. This is our equation 1, plus equation 2, same thing, 3 to 6 root x upon root 9 minus x plus root x dx. Now this left hand side, it is I plus I, means 2 times I. And now see, this is a range is same, 3 to 6, 3 to 6. So you can write this like this, 3 to 6, the first function root 9 minus x upon root x plus root 9 minus x plus root x upon root 9 minus x plus root x dx. See, we know this thing. If it is the question like this, x square plus 3x dx, so you can write this equal to x square integration of x square integration of 3x, whatever the range, 2 to 5. Here your range is 2 to 5, so you have to write 2 to 5, 2 to 5 here. Means if you can write this equal to this, then this equal to this is also possible. So if there is a question like this, you can separate this to integration. Same way, if there are two separate integration, you can club that. So you can, okay, if you open this, obviously you will get the same thing. Now keeping this as it is, now see the denominator. Here the denominator is root x plus root 9 minus x. Here root 9 minus x plus root x. So obviously denominator is same. So we have to add the numerator. So it is root 9 minus x plus root x. And because it's like a plus b and here b plus a, obviously it is same. So we can cancel this, we get 1. So here if we cancel this, it is root x plus root 9 minus x. So you can write this 3 to 6 and you can cancel, so we get 1. And we know the integration of 1. Our left hand side remains same, 2i. We know the integration of 1, that is what? X. And then range 3 to 6. Now put x equal to 6. Then put x equal to 3 and then subtract it. So we get 2i equal to 3. So we get I equal to 3 by 2. And what is our I? Our original question, 3 to 6 root 9 minus x upon root x plus root 9 minus x. The answer is 3 by 2. So this is the way to solve this question. You can try these two questions, question number 38 and 39 by the same way. If you have any doubt, we will discuss in our next lecture. You can consider these two examples are homework, and one more example. You can consider this as homework and this one. So that is your homework and that is enough for today. If you have any question in any of the part of this, you can ask your doubt. I know that it is not that much simple, but there is no any other option. We have to do the same thing. But still, if you have doubt,